Mom, why does every flower have a scent, and why do they smell different?
Each flower has a different scent because it's designed to attract different types of insects to help with pollination. Flowers release specific scents to attract the right insects, such as bees, butterflies, or flies. The scent of a flower can also help protect it from enemies, like pests.
What is pollination, Mom?
Pollination is the process where pollen from the male part of a flower is transferred to the female part of another flower. This allows plants to create seeds, helping them reproduce.
Why do flowers need pollination, Mom?
Flowers need pollination to produce seeds and grow new plants. Without pollination, they can't reproduce and keep their species alive.
Does the flower's scent help attract insects for pollination, Mom?
Exactly. The scent of flowers acts as a signal to attract insects, especially bees and butterflies. They are drawn to the fragrance, and while gathering nectar, they help pollinate the flowers.
So why does each flower have its own unique scent, Mom?
Each flower has a different scent because it's targeting specific insects. Different insects have different scent preferences and abilities to detect smells, so flowers produce distinctive scents to match what attracts them.
Mom, why does a rose smell stronger than a chrysanthemum?
Roses have a stronger scent to attract a wide variety of insects, especially bees. Chrysanthemums don't need a strong scent because they rely on other methods, like their bright colors and shapes, to attract insects.
What if a flower doesn't have a scent, Mom?
If a flower doesn't have a strong scent, it can still attract insects through its color and shape. But scent is an important factor that makes flowers more appealing. Some flowers have other strategies to help with reproduction.
Does the scent of flowers change over time, Mom?
Yes, the scent of flowers can change depending on their age, the time of day, and the weather conditions. For example, some flowers only release fragrance at night when insects like bats or nocturnal butterflies are active.
Why does the scent of flowers change with time and weather, Mom?
The scent changes because the chemicals released by the flower into the air can be affected by temperature, humidity, and wind. When the weather changes, flowers may release more or less fragrance depending on the environment.
Mom, does the scent of flowers do anything other than attract insects?
The scent of flowers not only attracts insects, but also helps humans feel relaxed and comfortable. Many people enjoy the fragrance of flowers to calm their minds and create a soothing atmosphere.
What does jasmine smell like, Mom?
Jasmine has a very sweet and pleasant fragrance, which is why many people like using jasmine in perfumes. The scent also attracts insects like bees and butterflies.
So does the scent of flowers vary depending on the species, Mom?
Yes, every species of flower has its own scent. For example, orchids have a very light and subtle fragrance, while roses have a stronger and more alluring smell.
Do insects prefer certain scents of flowers, Mom?
Yes, different insects are attracted to specific scents. For example, bees love sweet-smelling flowers, while flies prefer flowers with a stronger, more pungent odor.
Mom, does the scent of flowers affect the growth of the plant?
The scent of flowers can affect the growth of the plant because it helps with pollination and seed production, which ensures the survival of the plant and the growth of new generations. The scent can either encourage or limit the plant's development, depending on whether it attracts the right insects.
So is the scent of flowers a natural way for them to survive, Mom?
Exactly. The scent is a natural strategy that helps flowers attract insects for pollination, allowing them to reproduce and maintain their species. This is how flowers ensure their survival and growth.